Color is the name of the game in business today. For modern offices, color printing capability is no longer an option. It's a must-have. The eStudio series offers a full lineup of color models to meet the widest range of office environments and needs. Choose the right equipment to meet your needs with color printout speeds from 11 pages per minute to a blazing fast 65 pages per minute. And now, the all-new full-color eStudio series with a new concept. Any full-color MFP has to offer high-quality imaging and good productivity. But the human-centric concept offers superior operability and user compatibility, improving productivity and the office environment at the same time. Human-centric. It's all about people. The user is the focus. A complete lineup all the way from basic speed to high-speed models, meeting the needs of any user, any office. The kind of high speed that makes waiting nervously by the machine a thing of the past. Easy operability, fast, simple, no worries, no fuss. Rock-solid security that you can depend on. Durability and reliability that never lets you down. And the human-centric eStudio lineup is environmentally friendly too. Humanity at the center. Human-centric. TOSHİBA's eStudio series.